Actually, I don't like speaking much, so that's why in the whole competition I never spoken here. So it's the final game and we won it. So I just wanted to say a couple of words. Thank you to each and everyone, from the players to supporting staff, the way they kept the environment, the way they supported me as a captain. I think that was really important, and I didn't really feel like I'm meeting you guys after 2 years, because first year and then the way you welcomed me, the way you appreciated me, and I think that's something which led me to lead my team how I want, because the response was unbelievable from each and everyone. And that has given me so much energy inside, and that really let me allow to focus on my game and on my captaincy. And thanks to each and everyone, from all the senior players, everyone, even those who are sitting outside, they have given me so much of that good energy, which as a captain I felt so good. It has been 1 month, I just felt like it was just 1 week, because when you're having good time, you don't really see it, how quickly it goes. But I really enjoyed, and I just want to apologize if any of my decision makes anybody upset, things like that. I want to apologize for that, but really I want to say a massive thank you for all your efforts. And before the game, as I said, like, we all make our nation, our friends, our family and everyone proud, and you guys did it. And that video before the game, I have seen it. Believe me, that's the best moment of my whole month so far. It's not only the video, but I was just looking to the faces of everyone, and that was the best moment, and that's the best memory I will take it with myself from here to Afghanistan. And just make sure we look after yourself, and good luck to each and everyone, whoever goes to Champions Trophy. Not too much to those who play against us in Afghanistan. So just go easy on us, KG. And good luck, have fun, enjoy this victory, enjoy this trophy, and yeah, we are a well-deserved team to have this trophy at our home.